There's Stella's tree, but where's the sparkly glitter storm? And who could have done a thing like that? Oh, really? Did it move somewhere? How strange is that? Think you could get to sleep now, Stella? I'm gonna take that as a yes. What's that? What on earth? It's gotta be quiet. These animals need their rest. Where's the music coming from? That bush must be dancing? Bushes can't dance. It's a music speaker. That's much better, thank you. I don't know. Huh?